Welcome back. According to the American Dental Association, 75% rather, of Americans believe that a healthy smile is important for career success. Now, for people who are self-conscious about having crooked teeth, there are a lot of solutions. And Dr. Brian Dunlap of Dunlap Dental joins us now with some of those solutions. Thanks for joining us, Dr. Dunlap.
Thanks for having me, as always. I appreciate it.
Always great to see you. And there are some really easy options people may not know about that can absolutely change their life when it comes to their smile.
Well, I think a lot of people think about, when they think about orthodontics, they think about their kids, you know, and they think about braces on kids and everything. But, you know, I think in the last 15, 20 years, we've seen a big movement for a lot of people that are adults and even up into older adults who always wanted straighter teeth but just didn't think that they could do it or thought they were past their time where they could do it. And that's not the case at all. And there's a lot of techniques out there now that make it a lot easier.
Okay, and the first option, braces, are very common.
Yes, I'm sure everybody's aware of braces. You know, the metal braces that you see on the kids. I had them when I was a teenager, and most of us were cursed with them, but they do a fantastic job and they get you straight. But we certainly have some more aesthetic options these days.
Dental technology has come a long way. What are some of these newer options we have?
Right. Well, I mean, you know, with the braces, you have the ceramic braces, which are right here, which they're clear. You can't see them near as well. You can still see a wire right there. They're going to be about the same on the comfort level, though, as regular braces, which, you know, they're going to be a little bit irritating to your lips.
What about a price? Is this a big price difference?
Well, no, you know, I think they may be slightly more, but you're going to be looking at about the same with as the regular braces.
Okay.
And then you also have the braces that can actually go on the inside of your teeth. They have those now, which, you know, obviously wouldn't show very much. They are going to take a little longer to work, but I guess as far as cosmetics, you're going to get a little better situation there.
Are you going to feel those more?
You're going to notice them with your tongue, obviously. Not your lips and cheeks, but your tongue, for sure.
That could make a big difference. Let's talk about Invisalign. This is becoming a really popular option.
You know, our favorite, because the thing that we get feedback from our patients is how much they love the Invisalign, how comfortable it is. You can't even, when somebody's doing Invisalign, unless you're really, really close, you're not even sure that they're even doing anything. So basically, you can almost straighten your teeth on the down low. You don't even, nobody even hardly knows you have it done. And it's amazing how quick it works, too. I've found that Invisalign works really, really quickly, a lot quicker than I even thought it would.
And so a lot of adults are using this now and seeing a big difference. We have some pictures to show you.
Yeah, we just finished a case on someone in their 60s, you know, who didn't even think that she was eligible to possibly even do this. And so we, you know, talked about the Invisalign, did a case. I think we have a before and after here. And, you know.
Wow. And that's one of your patients.
Yeah, that's pretty dramatic, too. I mean, you know, she was, you know, I didn't realize until talking to her how upset she was about having that. And that took just over a year to get her there. So it was amazing.
Just a year. So this is Invisalign.
Right. And that's what that did in about a year's time, a little over a year's time. And, you know, most of our cases we found at our office are working usually between about, you know, 6 months and 14 months is an average case. So on Invisalign.
That is unbelievable. What did this patient have to say after just a year of this?
Well, the one thing I've enjoyed about the Invisalign is people don't seem to mind the process. They don't complain about the trays. It doesn't really hurt. They're just excited because along the way you're seeing the progression. You know, every month you can see it getting better and better, and so you're really excited to wear the trays because you see what good they're doing. And as adults, you know, it's a little different with a child who doesn't really understand and they're just doing it because they have to. With the adults, they're pretty happy to be compliant, and then they get these results and they're extremely happy.
Yeah, that's amazing. Great to see. Thank you so much. Always great to see you, Dr. Brian Dunlap.
Good to see you, Mallory.
Go see him at Dunlap Dental.